Yeah, welcome to this very video. My name is Shadrach, and I want to quickly explain to you how best to start VTU business in Nigeria that will make you a lot of money in the table. And this business, which I'm about to explain or introduce to you, is capable of making you nothing less than 300,000, 200,000, 100,000 monthly. But I'm going to be using just a benchmark of 100,000 to explain some certain things for you that concern this business. This business is responsible for making a lot of Nigerians like you to start earning a living online. Now, one of the things that I like on V2 business is that it is a business that everybody cannot do without. Okay, so to get started, what you need to do is to use the link in the description of this video to come to this particular page, or you can go to instantmobile.com.ng. Okay, just type instantmobile.com.ng. So once you are here on instantmobile.com.ng, what can you do on instantmobile.com.ng? It uh, is a kind of a platform that enable you to launch VTU telecom platform. Okay, it's not like a VTU platform. It is like the mother to like a platform that enables you to own a VTU website. So people always come to DM and say, okay, where can I register with Instant Mobile? Instant Mobile is not a VTU website, but rather it's a place where you can actually pick a package and get started with VTU technology. So it's a Nigeria that service your daily needs, ranging from airtime VTU, data subscription. If you really want to interact with any of our VTU platforms, you can easily chat up us on WhatsApp. We have to send you a link telling you about that's like a platform or an application that giving you a demonstration of how VTU website looks like. But Inside Mobile is not like a VTU website. So having take that out of the way, so let's look critically on how to get started with this business. This business is very, very much profitable because people always come to DM and say, okay, Mr. Cheddar, this business is no longer trending. But the simple answer to it is not true because in as much as you are using airtime, data, cable, electricity on your daily basis, this business is not going anywhere. Okay, so and the simple truth about the matter is that this is the only business that is scalable in the sense that you can easily start little and then grow it up to a very mega business. Trust me on that. And it is 100% on automation. So to get started, once you're here on instantmobile.com.ng, for those of you that are new to everything Instant Mobile, what is Instant Mobile? Instant Mobile is a V2 website setup solution kind of system that will enable you to own a V2 website, just like I said earlier before now. If you go down, you have to see that Instant Mobile is as old as even the V2 business itself. Okay, so Instant Mobile started 2015, so that can only give you one school of thought that this is like a legit businesses you can partner with. So most of you that will come to DM and say, okay, how genuine are you guys? Okay, if we have been online for 2015 up till now, that can only prove one thing that we are here to help you, not just to maybe some people that don't have a face value and be able to see them online and they are just telling about V2 business. And if there is an issue, they will always disappear in the thick air. But here on Instant Mobile, we are the one that created the business. Okay, so if not for another thing, have the back of your mind that Instant Mobile is as old as telecom business in Nigeria. So to get started, you have to click on prices. Okay, just click on this pricing. So when you click on this pricing, it will take you to the place where you have to see every of the packages that is on Instant Mobile Nigeria. Now, each of these packages are all okay. That's what I usually say in most of my videos. Because people always be very kind of they want to go to the highest package. Okay. At the end of the day, the highest package we are trying to go in for, one way or the other, the prices may go up or even come down. But then that moment at which you are going through this training, which is this particular moment, is the best time for you to get started. So we have various packages, and each of these packages give you a kind of access to the business for you to get started with the business. The first one is AVPP1. The AVPP1 is just like a V2 website that will enable you to start and sell airtime and data on your website. So it will come with .com.ng domain, and it has a very good landing page, and also that of what's it called application that will enable you to start this business. So if you look critically, you discover that we do not usually put prices. The reason why we don't put prices is because of the nature of the commodity. The price is not always fixed. So if we are just like every day we're updating prices, it will be causing a lot of problem for our team that is responsible for doing what's called price update on the system. So, but trust me, your prices are the most kind of reduced price in the whole industry. That's what you should be able to understand. The price of any of the package you are going for is very, very much affordable in terms of you can easily resell it. Okay, so now we have the AVP1, AVP2. The AVP2 is 39,000, while the AVP 3 is 49,000. So each of these will give you a very good VT website to get started. So just pick a package right now and get started. Even if it is the first one, there's no problem. Even if it is the second one, the third one, the difference between each of them are just little features. Like now, this particular one, which is this AVP2, which is the one of 39,000. This one now, this particular one, let me just give you a little differences of it. If you come here, you see that one of the greater difference on it is on the. Let me just this one have a more or less of what's it called let me just show you what is the difference between it and the other one. This one is only for airtime and data, this particular one. But this one is come with airtime and data cable, electricity as well. Okay. Now this particular, which is the last one here, come with mobile application. Okay, so that these are the things that differentiate it. So this one comes with mobile application, but it will not be on Play Store, please. Okay, so it will just be on the APK. Can you see it now? Can you see it? So you can see it. It comes with a progressive web app. Okay, so it will be on your website, directly attached to your website. But one funny thing about the setup system that we usually give to any of these packages is that within 12 hours, I'm talking about right now, once you are paying your money right now, within 12 hours, your website will be ready. Okay, there is no any VTU agency out there, let me put it that way, that has promised this kind of guarantee. It means if you are dropping your payment right now, within 12 hours, you are getting your website online. That is the power of what we can do as a company. So what is holding you is you yourself, who has not made up mind of to get started with this business. Now remember, the main thing where you make money is not only on just to get the highest package, but rather if you must understand the business mechanisms, what makes money. For what you need to do right now is to go to WhatsApp and place order. So what you have to do is chat this number on WhatsApp, which is 08136367446. Once you're on WhatsApp, the essence of the WhatsApp chatting up on WhatsApp is for we to send you the payment system, as in like bank to pay. That's the reason why we usually recommend WhatsApp. So once you are there on WhatsApp, you're able to tell us that okay, you want to go for AVP1. Don't come to WhatsApp and begin to ask what is a VP1 or VP2, because I have been making the explanation on this video, and you can see every detailed explanation is given on each of the description of the packages. So what you should be coming to WhatsApp is for payments. Okay, so now there is also other packages, but I want you to stick with the lowest package so that once you are understanding the business, you can easily scale it up to a higher package, right? So each of these packages, these three packages, because what these are the most FAQ question people usually ask. Will I get access to the software? The answer is no. Will I get access to the C panel? The answer is no for any of the AVP package. Even coming to the bulk order package, which is here now, we have the one of MSD Pack 1, which is 85 at the moment. Then we have the MSD Pack 2 and MSD Pack 3. The one of MSD Pack 3 and Pack 2, 3 and 2 is what you have access to the C panel. But even this first one, which is you are seeing here, you will not have access to the C panel. So please take note of that. But let me reassure you that we have a very, very robust server that can be able to host your website and then give you a good optimal downtime. Remember, the difference between you are running a VT website and you're on your own, and you are running it with a company that understands the terrain of the business. So what is now holding you is you for picking a package. Get started instead of battling with how the server works and all that, that kind of a thing. Or maybe peradventure you don't even have the fund, maybe you don't have the money to go for any of these higher packages. You are saving up, maybe all of a sudden you will now say that this particular package is now 800,000. Why this one is a million naira? So it means you are just like wasting time upon time. Okay, so that's why that moment at which you are seeing the opportunity is that this particular moment we are watching this training. And remember, this prices is not fixed. Maybe the time we're watching this training, it is no longer this amount. So please make sure you go grab your bank app and make payment to the what you are seeing here. Once you have your website, the next thing is how to make the business work for you. And this is on the inside training mentorship that we give to every client. So we don't want to make this video to be very lengthy, but trust me, we are going to be showing you how exactly you are going to make this 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 a month using this business once you have your VT website done and dusted. Because we have seen that sometimes in the past we have been training some people for free, and then they will use our knowledge for granted, and that's the reason why we are not giving it to only of our clients that have a business relationship with us. So even if you have a WhatsApp, you're on a WhatsApp, you come to ask us, okay, how does this business work? Okay, how can I make money on this business? The simple truth is that go to instantmobile.com.ng/pricing, pick a package there, make your payment. Once you are paid, we're able to teach you everything how this business is going to help you scale it up to a million naira, a monthly revenue. Trust me on that. So what are you waiting for is you. Okay, so you are the one that is holding yourself right now. So get started right away, pick a package and thank me later. Remember that each of these packages, as I said earlier, are very, very top notch. Each of them are very, very good. The major thing here is not even the package itself, it's the ideology, understanding the business mechanisms that makes it money, that make it that make you money in the business. That's the major thing you should be paying attention, not just to maybe I just want to get the highest package. Okay, each of the packages are very, very okay. So can get started. You can get started. I recommend you get started with the package 3. This is, you can see it now. If you have the money for package 2, you go for it, or package 3, and also the MSD pack 1, which is, you can see the one of 80k. In fact, this one of 80k we give you a lot of robust features. Okay, designs, everything is going to be classic. Okay, so that's why it is on this and remember, another thing you should understand is that the software mechanism used to build each of these software packages are different. So that's what the little key differences between each of them. But instead of being that, okay, money is not a factor, a barrier for you to enter the business, that's why we always recommend you should start with as little as the first package. But if you want to get a robust feature, just like what I'm explaining, you should go for MSD pack 1. This particular one, if you have the fund, you go for it, because this one will give you a very standard VTU website. But if you also have the one of MSD Pack 2, which is we want to get the software and you also want us to build the system for you, that is what this one entails. And you also want it to be on Play Store. Okay, this one is also the same thing, but this one is that you are going to still have your own website.com domain name. You're going to still have it, your own custom servers. You're going to, in fact, it's like a mega package, but I don't want to explain all of them in this video. Each of these packages has a detailed descriptions, which you can go through to understand each of the individual differences between each of the packages. Why we make it atomize like this, that if we are bidding for you and then we didn't put any of the features that is listed here, you can easily come and to WhatsApp and say, okay, sir, when you are describing these features, I didn't get these features. Okay, so this is exactly why we are describing each of the features you are going to be getting. Pay each individual packages that you are ordering. So, but the main thing is for you to get started right away. If making 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 is what sound interesting for you as a civil servant, unemployed, or maybe someone is looking for a plan B source of income online, this business is for you. Because right now, I'm telling you from the gospel truth that telecom business is something that can put food in your table, because you and I cannot do without the product. We can't do without airtime, we can't do without data, we can't do without cable, electricity. So instead of you looking around shining objectives that doesn't really work online, can't you stick with this particular business has proven years upon years that is not going anywhere. So that, and for you to get started, remember that some certain things you need to understand that surround this business. That include automation, automating the business. That include how to make it work out for you. That include what are the strategy that makes it as like what are the things you need to do to make this money. These are all inclusive of people that has made payment for any of these packages and they have started right away. We're going to be having a mentorship, one-on-one mentorship on how this business can really make you money. There's some testimony upon testimonies, people of that have been succeeding. We're able to give you guide on how to also succeed as well. So get started right away and thank me later. Pick a package today and then let's get your business started. Remember, this business is not going anywhere, and I'm here to mentor you to the last limit, in as much as you can able to apply the all the strategies that is working for us and also for our countless clients, thousands of clients in Nigeria on this business.